What's fascinating about the current sentiment score of plus 0.02 in the software sector is how it contrasts sharply with the momentum of minus 0.52 over the past 24 hours. This suggests that while sentiment is slightly positive, the overall momentum is significantly declining. This divergence could indicate a critical inflection point where optimism fails to translate into action. With our API, you get not just sentiment scores, but also insights into semantic clusters, offering a nuanced view of public sentiment. For instance, you can track shifts in sentiment around software updates or new releases, helping you identify when to pivot your development strategies. Want to dig deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs and harness the power of sentiment data to inform your next move.